everybody, kindly read the problem.
A garden that composed of 9 plants needs to be planted with 3 types of flowers: rose, sunflower, and orchids. Arrange the flowers such that no 2 adjacent plants sharing a side have the same type of flowers.
Okay, so in this problem, we are still using the Turkey-Polias method, which is the step 1,
Understand the problem.
Okay, very good. So we need to plant 3 kinds of flowers, which are
Rose, sunflower, and orchids.
and orchids. The rule is that no 2 plants next to each other sharing a side can have the same type of flowers. So we need to arrange the flowers in a way where this rule is followed. So let's move on to the next step, which is
Devise a plan.
very good. So let's start with the model of the problem. Let's represent the garden like a grid where each plot is a square and treat each plot as a dot. And if 2 plots are next to each other, we draw a line between them. So, okay, so let's assume that you have, like, we have rose, sunflower, and orchids. Since the English mentioned a grid, so let's have a like one by one na grid. One by one na grid. So dili, which is so dili naman to pwede maka-rose dili, di ba? So sunflower, try na to ang sunflower. Dili mo na pwede nga maka-sunflowers. Ito na to nga orchids. Mga to orchids. Then dili na pwede ma-orchids. Dili na pwede ma-rose. Yes, rose. So, na-satisfy ba dali nga kuan? Namin ka balik-balik nga kuan? Flowers sa lain-lain na pot?
Na.
Wala. Okay. So, next. So, let's color the graph. So, let rose will be red. Sunflower will be yellow. And O is orange. Orchids will be orange. Sunflower is yellow, orange, and red. So, di ba, as you can see in this figure, there is no 2 colors next to each other, or there is no princess share the same color, right?
Yes.
Alright. So, now, let's determine the chromatic number. So, in this figure, how many colors we need to color this figure or this graph?
3.
3. So therefore, 3 is the chromatic number because it is the smallest number that we need to color the entire graph. So now, what is the next step of Polias method?
Carry out the plan.
Okay, so now let's carry out the plan, and this time we are using the 3 by 3 grid. So 3 by 3 grid which have 9 plots. Wait, let me get it. 9 plots. So 9 plots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8. Alright, so okay. So muna na ito lagi model ang problem. Next is let's carry out the plan like rose, sunflower, and orchids. Let rose be A, sunflower B, and orchids is C. So A, B, C, I know.
Red, yellow, orange.
Red, yellow, and orange. And since let's carry out the plan first. So pila ka plots? 9. Okay, so let's label first. E, F, G, F, and I. So mo ni ato ang hisura sa plots. Ay mo ni ang the graph will look like this. They can see some 9 plots and 3 by 3 grid. Next is let's color the graph. So let's start with the vertex A, which is a rose. Rose or color?
Red.
Red. And sunflower color. Sunflower is color blue. Blue. So blue. And
No. You can use any color if you want. Follow the figure first and then you can assign colors later. Table first, A. Okay, very good.